Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EARS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was, where it started on the day, and then where it ended, definitely any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price made a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 75. Why is 75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 75. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. Even after a very drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, the overall stair steps are still making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, like I said, I'm quantifying and defining the progress point as that 75-cent mark. What about levels of resistance? Well, really right now, the price is technically up above the key level of resistance, which is that pink line there, the very well-known 200 period simple moving average, but it's barely above it. So kind of the question on my mind, and this is not like a revolutionary discovery, but a valid question here is, is this a true break, or is this going to need to do some consolidating? Because sure, prices can break above levels of resistance, but then there's always that question of, well, can they stay up above it? And given that it just barely closed above it, to me, I'm still going to consider that pink line a level of resistance, but none of that really matters, because the point here being today the price exploded, and now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.